Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your deposit limit on Chime. First thing I want you to do is launch up the Chime app, make sure you're logged into your account, and then here at the bottom you'll see Move Money. So I want you to click on Move Money here, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you see Add Money to Chime, and you have different options. What I want you to do is choose Mobile Check Deposit. Now, once you choose this option, they'll ask you what type of check this is. You can just choose any check. It is fine if you choose either one. You can choose U.S. Treasury, payroll provider, or other. You can choose either one. And then you just enter the check amount here. Now, this is the important part. They actually tell you what limit you have. So this is your mobile deposit limit on Chime. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.